Hey, how's everybody doing today? Kevin here, America's favorite roofer with Honest Abe Roofing. Now here out in the shop, an engine running. It's our mobile roll former for our standing seam panels, one of our permanent roofing solutions. Let's walk out in the shop and check it out and see what they're making. Oh, here they are. Let's see what Oscar's up to. Oh, yes. Check this thing out. Look at that thing go. Looking good. So, as you can see, when you buy a standing seam roof from our company, we bring machinery to your house. And we do the entire project on site. The roof is custom made to fit your house just like a custom made suit, protecting your house for a lifetime. It's one of the best ways to get a permanent roofing solution for your home. So, give us a call. Let's talk more about permanent roofing solutions for your home right here in Indiana. Talk to you soon, America.